Alright, Aidan found a Thomas the Tank train set here at Barnes & Noble's, and it's difficult to get him out of here. He's just become addicted to this. Aidan, are you ready to go?
No, and I was go.
Are you sure you don't want to go?
I don't go.
When should we go? Should we go now?
No, Thomas.
Shoghi,
Stop.
are you ready to say bye-bye to Thomas?
What? Stop. Hey!
Hey, Shoghi.
What's happening?
That wasn't very nice, Aidan. Aidan, are you ready to say bye-bye to Thomas?
What? No.
You want to go play Thomas at home? Aidan, you want to go get ice cream?
No, I don't want the whole ice cream. Oh, no!
You want to go get a birthday cake?
What's happening? What's happening? No. What's happening?
Do you want to go get cake and ice cream?
What's up for you, Thomas? What's up for you, Thomas? I don't want
How about we leave and we go get gummy worms? $1 million? Do you want $1 million, Aidan?
Go.
Aidan, when do we go home? Aidan, when do we go home? We're not going home?
Hey! Thomas! Thomas! What's happening to you? What? Thomas! Thomas! Why are you taking me so well? I'm not doing this.
Shoghi, do you want to go home, Shoghi?
Yes.
You want to go home? You're ready to go home, right?
It's not what it's doing home.
You're not ready to go home, Aidan? What can we do to go home?
Not go home.
What? We're not getting any more toys.
I got some.
You have all the different trains.
No.
Yes, you do. No.
No. Please, Thomas. Please.
All right, Aidan. We can go now. You guys gotta go. Can you say bye-bye, Thomas? Where you going, Shoghi? That's not yours.
It's an engine.
It's an engine, I know, but it's not your engine.
The engine. It's the one that's right. It's the one that's right. Iron.
All right, no luck. I don't think we're getting out of here.